GM, everybody. Today I wanted to jump on to take a look at VOOI, which is one of the brokers that has launched recently on Orderly Network. So I wanted to go over a little bit about what the platform is and then take a look at how you can actually deposit some funds there and start trading on it and start earning some Orderly merits. So to start, I actually wrote an article on this the other week when the announcement was made. And this article, basically, you can check it out in my Medium, and I'll put this in the description below the video. But basically, this article outlines what VOOI is actually trying to be. And the main takeaway really is that VOOI is not just a broker, but rather they're building a fully fledged cross-chain perp aggregator. So rather than you interacting with the VOOI interface, as you can see an image of it there, at the minute, they're only live with Orderly Network, but in the future, they'll introduce other perps platforms such as Hyperliquid and GMX, so that when you place a trade on the VOOI platform, it might be routed through Orderly Network, it might be routed through GMX, it might be routed through KiloX, on whatever chain. It doesn't necessarily matter to the trader as long as they're getting the best execution and the best price. So that's really what they're trying to do. They're trying to build out this entire platform rather than just a simple kind of broker approach to things. But yeah, stage one of the roadmap has gone live. You can see here VOOI alpha season. So this is now live. You can trade on this. You've got up to 50x on Bitcoin and up to 10x on a bunch of different alts. So now I just wanted to take a look at how you can actually deposit some funds onto VOOI and begin trading there. So in terms of how you actually do that, so first step, you will want to connect your wallet. In my case, I use Rabi Wallet. You go ahead and do that, and then it will prompt you to enable trading. You can simply press enable trading. Your wallet will then pop up. You can sign that message, first of all, and then the wallet will pop up again. And you can, again, sign and create that. And that second one is to add the Orderly key. So it'll take a second to go through, and then you will be prompted to actually make a deposit. So here you can see that you need some USDC, and you need to deposit that into Arbitrum, but there are other options. You can deposit on Optimism Mainnet or on Base. So I need to go ahead and get some USDC. So I'll do that and then come back in 1 second. Okay, so what I did was I went across to WooFi Swap. I swapped from the Ethereum that I had into USDC, that's native USDC on Arbitrum. And you can see now that my balance on VOOI has updated to 11 USDC. So I can simply click, type in the amount that I want to deposit, let's say 1140. And then I, first of all, have to approve that transaction. My wallet will pop up asking me to sign that message and pay a bit of gas. It'll take a second to go through. And then the second step is to actually deposit the funds. So the first one was the approval. The second one is the deposit. Again, you'll have to pay a little bit of gas. And then that will take a second to go through. Yeah, generally these deposits take a little bit of time to be processed, normally about 30 seconds. So we'll come back when that is in our account. Okay, so after about 30 seconds or so, we can see that deposit of $11.40 has now gone into my VOOI account, and it is here under the available margin section. Before we get trading, I would recommend you take a look at this earn rebates section. So if you click this, it'll show you a location where you can enter in an invitation code, and it will also show you where you can get your referral code. So if you are looking to use VOOI, I would very much appreciate if you used my code. So it is QZQKYY, and for that you will get 20% of the fees spent back on VOOI. So yeah, if you do use that, that's really appreciated. Yeah, just be sure to basically get some money off your fees. If you don't use my code, be sure to use someone else's code that is out there. But yeah, you can go ahead and enter that in, and then you will move down to this section and choose what you want to trade. I should actually just say, first of all, I'm trading Bitcoin, but there are, sorry, that lagged a bit. I'm trading Bitcoin, but there are a bunch of different assets available for trading. It's well over 30 now. But for the purposes of this demo, I will trade Bitcoin. And when I click this leverage button, that will bring that up. Let's go full degen. Let's go for 50x. I select save, and you'll see down in the bottom corner that leverage set successfully. And then I can go ahead and enter in a position. So I'm using 50x leverage. I've got 11 USDC in my account. So let's say I want to do, let's say $450. I can then go buy, and the order will open there. So you can see here that that was the size, $449 went through, and that was a bad time to buy, and I'm probably going to get, yeah, I've lost a decent amount there. But just to illustrate what is going on here, that has been routed through orderly. I can set up a take profit and stop loss if I want to do that. That feature has just been introduced recently. Or I can just go ahead and immediately close out that position by clicking that button. I can choose if I want to close out, to partially close it out, or if I want to close it out fully. In this case, I will close it out fully. Unfortunately, that was a terrible trade. I'm down $1. I bought it not a good time at all. But for demo purposes, you've seen how you can actually enter into a trade. One thing to note as well is that when you are trading on VOOI, you will also be earning orderly merits. So this Road to the Order campaign goes on probably until the end of June or so. So when you are trading on VOOI, you will be, well, first of all, you can get some fee rebates by using the code, as I said before, QZQKYY. But you'll also be earning some orderly merits, which will be converted into, in some degree, the orderly tokens when they come out, and that's expected to happen end of June, start of July, sometime around then. I think they said sometime in summer when they announced that campaign. So yeah, that's everything that I wanted to talk about today. Hope you all enjoyed it. That was the first time I've actually interacted with VOOI. Really clean platform, really like it. I'm excited for them to build out the other features as well. Orderly is obviously an excellent base. There's so much going on there, but the vision that this project has is really exciting, and I'm really looking forward to what they do in the near future. So yeah, great work to the VOOI team. Great work, Orderly, for this integration. I'll definitely continue to use this, and particularly when they have got good fee rebates going on at the minute. So yeah, thank you very much, everyone. I hope you all enjoyed watching. Happy trading, everyone, and have a good day.